On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2021 River Ranch 390RL by Columbus. This luxurious and spacious fifth wheel is ready for adventure. Entering this model, you'll step up into the open and inviting dining and kitchen area. At the rear, the entertainment center features premium sound equipment, fireplace, large sleeper sofa, and a pair of theater-style recliners perfect for relaxing. On the same slide is a wall-mounted freestanding table. The kitchen offers increased counter space and storage all around. A stainless steel 4-burner gas range, matching microwave, and 20 cubic foot residential refrigerator round out the appliance list. When it is time to cook, the kitchen island provides additional pop-up power outlets and surface area for meal prep, and adjacent to the refrigerator is a large lighted pantry with easy access to supplies. Heading to the front of the unit, passing the gated stairwell entry, is the front master suite and dual-access bathroom. The bedroom features a mirrored wardrobe closet along the front wall with additional storage compartments inside and above. At the foot of the bed is an entertainment center with a pop-up TV, power outlets, and fireplace below. And the stacked washer-dryer units have easy access, making loading and unloading a breeze. The king bed has a nightstand with decorative shelving on the side. You can access the stylish dual-entry bathroom from the bedroom and easily enjoy the well-lit vanity area with dual sinks. And the signature spa walk-in shower features a skylight, marble walls, sliding glass doors, and a teakwood seat. There is plenty of linen storage and the space is perfect for freshening up. You will love the look and feel of it all. This single-level ranch-style fifth wheel is where residential living, massive basement storage capacity, luxurious style, and towability all come together into one amazing unit. We have hundreds of quality, pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.